Hey guys, Danny here. I'm doing a step-by-step tutorial now on how to withdraw your Eureka and your IPX or SOT out of Eureka Stake.io to your Metamask wallet on the Eureka Smart Chain or the Polygon network. Now, you've only got the choice to send ERK to Eureka Smart Chain. For IPX and SOT, that'll have to go on the Polygon blockchain for now because we do not have token tracking in our Explorer yet on the Smart Chain. So it's better now just to go ahead and send it all over on Polygon. Now, if you don't know how to do that, check my other videos on how to set up Polygon, a blockchain network on Metamask, and there's my daughter. I'm gonna pause. Okay, so let's get to it. First thing is in your Metamask, by now you should have your tokens set up in there. If you don't, I will put this list below of Eureka tokens on the Polygon blockchain. Below, these are contract addresses that you need to add to your wallet to be able to see them in your wallet. Credit Cleaner, let's just take one of those for instance. I'll put this list in the description below. Copy. I don't know if I've added, no, I haven't. Okay, so in your assets side, you got activity and assets. Activity, you only see Matic activity, not token transfers. Assets, you want to go there, down to the very bottom, import token. Paste that contract address in there. There's Credit Cleaner, add custom token. So you'll be able to see it in your wallet. Then you import token. Click back on the fox head, go down to the bottom, and you'll see Credit Cleaner down on the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and get set up. Underneath, well, let's have just a quick run through MetaMask, just to do it in this video too. You can have different accounts on your MetaMask. Account 1 for testing. I've got 3 there. They all have different addresses. But whichever one I choose, or you can add if you want to create another account with a different address, you can do that there. So whichever one I'm on, if I'm on Polygon, you can see OX714. That's the beginning of my address. It doesn't matter if I go to Ethereum, it's still the same address. I go to Eureka Mainnet, it's still the same address. I go to Tether Mainnet, it's still the same address. So when you're on that user, they'll all be the same addresses for each blockchain, which is actually really cool. But so let's go up to Polygon Mainnet. We're going to send these over to Polygon, and where it says this will just be the name of that account 1 for testing, whatever you've named it, you give it a name yourself. We're on for testing. So underneath there, it says copy to clipboard. That's your address. So now you go over to finance, go to payout settings. I don't know if you really need to do this or not, but go to payout settings, click on it. And you'll have 2 addresses here, ERK, ID, IPX. IPX and SOT will be the same. Like I said, I don't know that you need to do this, but you can paste these addresses in there first. Hit update. Yeah, I think you have to do them one at a time. Okay, and then we'll go over here, paste that one, update. This is just to be on the safe side. Not really a big deal, very easy to do. That's payout settings. Now, before you go to withdraw, you want to go to your dashboard first. Take note or write down your balances that you're going to withdraw because it doesn't show you when you actually do it. So I've got 74,000 Eureka, right? 74,049.88. Write it down, whatever you want to do. Now we'll go back to finance to withdraw, and we'll get it done. So how much am I going to send over? I'm going to send over 5,000. Now we've taken away the fee now, so there is no 1% fee like there was before, right? So I'm going to take out, whoops. I'm just going to take out 5,000 right now. Payment method. This is where you choose what you're withdrawing. There's only 3 things in here. ERK, IPX, or SOT. Right now I'm going to do ERK, so I'll choose ERK. Then here you will select the blockchain. Now ERK you can withdraw on Polygon or Eureka Smart Chain, but IPX and SOT you have to use Polygon. Make sure you do that because we don't have token tracking on the Eureka Explorer. It works on the blockchain and everything. We just don't have it on the Explorer yet, so you wouldn't be able to see those transactions and you wouldn't be able to see it in your Metamask wallet. So tokens only go to Polygon. IPX and SOT only to Polygon for now till we get that finished, right? So make sure if you're choosing a SOT or Polygon, or SOT or IPX, you choose Polygon here and then put in your wallet address. So for me, I'm going to do ERK. I'm actually going to do ERK on the Smart Chain. And then you need your wallet address, which is simply your Metamask wallet address. Just right underneath there, copy OX714, right click, paste. You want to check that, you got to scroll back, 0x714, correct. Just hit withdraw. And it's thinking. Okay. And we're waiting. Here it comes. Goes back to my dashboard. Payment amount 5,000. Payment method Eureka. Confirm that. Please wait. Okay. Now that should be done. Just waiting for the website to update here. Maybe I have a little bit slow connection. Sorry about that, guys. Guess I could pause it, but it usually doesn't take this long. Okay, so this is the next screen. Comes up, ERK, wallet ID, amount, and it's pending. Okay, so we withdrew some Eureka to the Eureka Smart Chain. Now let's do some tokens. Go back to your dashboard. Okay, now you see that actually that 5,000 came off my balance of Eureka, so that's good. And these are done manual, so just give it time. It might take a day, it might take two, but they'll all get sent over. IPX balance, I've got 263,000. Okay, so we'll take out some IPX. I'm just going to do a withdrawal here. I suggest you do everything all at once. I'm just doing this for examples right now to my test account. So IPX, we go over to finance and we hit withdraw. Okay, so we're just going to do, let's do 5,000 IPX. So you need to put your amount in, choose IPX. Blockchain, remember, we can only send on Polygon for right now, so make sure you choose Polygon. Go up to your MetaMask. Go underneath your account there where it says copy to clipboard. That's the address you're sending it to. Right click, paste, scroll it back. 0x714, just to make sure, just open your MetaMask and you get the first four there. That's correct. And if you really want to check CB6D, it's a good idea to go in there and scroll over. It ends with CB6D. Correct. Just hit withdraw. Okay, so 5,000 IPX, confirm. Please wait. I paused it there. It says good job. And we just wait for the web. I'm going to pause it. Okay. There you go. Status is pending. Wallet ID, that's my wallet address. Amount 5,000 pending. That's it, guys. So if you want to withdraw SOT, it's exactly the same. We can do that if you want to, or why not? Just for the sake of being thorough, let's do a SOT withdrawal. So take note of your balance. If you want to take the whole thing, please do. I'm only doing 5,000 because this is a test account of mine. So SOT, I've got 1.2 million in there. I'm going to go to finance, withdraw. Okay, again, I'm going to take out 5,000. This is SOT, so you need to choose it there under payment method. The blockchain, SOT and IPX can only be sent on Polygon. Make sure you choose Polygon. Go up to your wallet, Metamask. Make sure you're on Polygon Mainnet from your choice of networks. Copy your address, OX714. Right click, paste. Take note. Make sure you got your right address in there. And just hit withdraw. Okay, so the amount 5,000, correct? Method SOT. If you're not sure, hit cancel. But for me, I'm just going to confirm. Please wait. Then we should get a good job if it all goes well. Good job. It does say something about sending an email, but I don't think it does anymore. And boom, there you go. Withdraw details, payment method, SOT, went to that address, 5,000, and it's pending. So there you go, guys. You can go back to your dashboard again and check to make sure that all came off your balance. And there you go. That's how you send your ERK, IPX, and SOT. Remember, ERK can go to Eureka Smart Chain or Polygon, but IPX and SOT must go to the Polygon blockchain. If you haven't set up Metamask, there is thousands of videos on how to set up Metamask. Metamask, once it's set up, comes up default on the Ethereum network because that's what it was originally built for, but you can add Polygon, Eureka Smart Chain, Tether permissions, Binance Smart Chain. Those are all Ethereum virtual machinery compatible. So yeah, once you've got your MetaMask set up, you can go through my videos on how to set up the Eureka Mainnet, the Eureka Smart Chain, Polygon Mainnet. I have those on my channel. So there you go, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.